If you're looking to build an effective home gym without cluttering your space with dozens of individual weights, the PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells, Stage 1, 5 to 50 pounds, set, might just be the smartest investment you'll ever make. Priced at $359, these dumbbells combine the functionality of 16 pairs of traditional dumbbells into one sleek, compact system. With a stellar average customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 2,400 global reviews, it's clear that these adjustable dumbbells are winning over serious fitness enthusiasts and beginners alike. Let's get right to what makes the PowerBlock Elite EXP stand out: versatility and space efficiency. One of the first things I appreciated was just how compact the dumbbells are, especially when considering the weight range they offer. Each dumbbell adjusts from 5 to 50 pounds in 2.5-pound increments using the innovative add-a-weight system. This level of fine-tuned control allows you to scale up your workouts gradually and safely, which is perfect whether you're doing isolation exercises or heavy compound lifts. The adjustment mechanism is another area where PowerBlock shines. Unlike some adjustable dumbbells that rely on fragile plastic dials or complicated locking systems, this model uses a secure magnetic polypropylene pin to change weights. It's incredibly quick and intuitive, allowing for weight changes in under 3 seconds. You simply slide the pin into the corresponding weight block and you're good to go. The system feels robust, and many users note it doesn't jam or wear out with time like other brands' mechanisms tend to do. In terms of durability, the feedback is nearly unanimous. These things are built like tanks. Many reviewers have used them daily for months or even years, with no issues whatsoever. One customer even mentioned using them flawlessly for over 6 years. That kind of longevity is a testament to the quality materials and smart engineering PowerBlock employs. There's no delicate plastic housing to crack, and the padded handle offers both comfort and grip security during intense lifting sessions. Now let's talk about design. Yes, they are a bit blocky, and if you're used to round or hex dumbbells, it might take a bit of adjusting. However, this caged structure actually works to your benefit once you get used to it. The shape makes them easier to rest on your thighs between sets, particularly during bench presses or goblet squats. Some users even mention using the wrist supports for extra stability during lifts. So while the design might seem unconventional at first, it offers ergonomic perks that traditional dumbbells don't. Another major selling point is expandability. The Elite EXP Stage 1 goes up to 50 pounds per hand, but as your fitness level increases, you can purchase Stage 2 and Stage 3 expansion kits to raise the max weight to 70 or even 90 pounds per hand. This is a big deal. Instead of having to buy an entirely new set down the line, you simply build upon the solid base you already own. This modular approach is especially attractive to anyone who's serious about progressive overload and long-term strength training goals. As for portability, these dumbbells measure just 12L x 6W x 6H, making them one of the most compact adjustable dumbbell sets on the market. This makes them a godsend for people working out in tight spaces, apartments, small bedrooms, basements, or even a corner of your living room. And since you're replacing the equivalent of 825 pounds of traditional free weights, you're not just saving space, you're also saving serious money and avoiding the logistical nightmare of storing a full dumbbell rack. User reviews consistently praise how these dumbbells have revolutionized their workouts. One customer wrote about using them daily for a variety of routines targeting chest, back, legs, and arms, and loved how the shape didn't feel bulky at all. Another user, closer to 60 years old, appreciated how the compact structure made heavier weights more manageable and controlled. A different reviewer emphasized the value. Getting the equivalent of 16 dumbbells for around $359 breaks down to about $15 per weight, which is incredibly affordable when you consider the quality. Of course, no product is without its quirks. Some users mention a brief learning curve in getting used to the blocky shape, especially when it comes to hand placement for certain exercises like curls or triceps extensions. Others advise placing rubber mats under them if you're working out on concrete, just to preserve the integrity of both the floor and the dumbbells. Still, these are relatively minor concerns and don't detract from the overwhelmingly positive consensus. Another common tip from users is to invest in a PowerBlock stand. While the dumbbells can be used on the floor, Having them elevated on a stand makes adjusting weights faster and saves your back from constant bending. It's not essential, but it's a worthwhile upgrade if you're planning to use these frequently. In summary, the PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells deliver on virtually every front functionality, build quality, ease of use, and space efficiency. Whether you're a beginner looking to start lifting at home or a seasoned lifter tired of swapping out plates or stepping around a jungle of dumbbells, this set offers a smart, long-lasting, and scalable solution. It's a one-time purchase that grows with you and eliminates the need for constant equipment upgrades. If you're considering adding these to your home gym, now's a great time to grab them. Check the video description below for possible discounts, and remember, prices can change with ongoing deals. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates that help you build the ultimate home gym setup.